Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore 55 of the most expensive heavy equipment machines working at another level. These machines are not only costly but also powerful, efficient, and designed for the toughest jobs in the world. Let's dive right in. First up, let's look at the giants in the construction world. Caterpillar D11 bulldozer, a powerhouse in earthmoving, known for its strength and efficiency. Liebherr R9800 excavator, one of the largest and most expensive excavators, perfect for heavy-duty projects. Komatsu PC8000-6 excavator. With immense digging power, it's essential for large-scale construction. Volvo EC950F crawler excavator. Advanced technology meets raw power, ideal for major construction tasks. Hitachi X8000-6 excavator. Reliable and powerful, a staple in demanding construction environments. Next, we explore some premium mining machines. Caterpillar 797F mining truck. This massive truck can haul huge loads, crucial for large mining operations. The LAZ 75710, the world's largest mining truck, designed to carry the heaviest loads with ease. Komatsu 980E4, known for its performance and reliability in the mining sector. Liebherr T284, offering exceptional efficiency and strength, perfect for tough mining jobs. Hitachi EH5000AC3, combining advanced technology with brute force, ensuring top productivity in mining. Now, let's turn to the agricultural sector with some top-tier machines. John Deere S790 Combine, a high-efficiency harvester, perfect for large-scale farming. Case IH Quadtrac 620, this powerful tractor handles the most demanding agricultural tasks with ease. Lexion 8900, Advanced technology and high capacity make it a top choice for modern farming. New Holland CR 10.90. Known for its power and efficiency, ideal for major harvesting jobs. Fendt 1050 Vario. A high-performance tractor offering unmatched versatility in agriculture. Next, we dive into the world of high-end logging machines. Scorpion King, an advanced harvester designed for precise and efficient logging. John Deere 1470G, renowned for its reliability and cutting-edge technology in the logging industry. Komatsu 931XC, combining power and efficiency, perfect for challenging logging tasks. TigerCat 875E log loader, designed for maximum productivity and durability in logging operations. Caterpillar 568 forest machine, known for its power and versatility, essential for a range of logging activities. Finally, let's look at some futuristic and expensive machines that are setting new standards. Tesla Cybertruck, an innovative electric truck promising incredible efficiency and performance. Caterpillar 794 AC mining truck, a next-generation mining truck designed for maximum efficiency. Komatsu D155AXI8 dozer, featuring intelligent machine control, a glimpse into the future of construction machinery. Volvo EC950F crawler excavator, advanced technology combined with heavy-duty performance, focusing on sustainability. John Deere 8RX tractor, cutting-edge technology and power, designed for the future of farming. These 55 machines represent the pinnacle of engineering and innovation. They are not only some of the most expensive but also the most impressive pieces of equipment in the world. If you enjoyed this look at high-end heavy equipment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.